Oh, it's very good climate today, and the match between ICVCK versus ICVCK it will be going to be held on this stadium. So we can see the beach is very dry and it's good to play here. I think the team which win the toss can back first and they can have a good advantage here. So let's see what about the pitch. I can see a big crowd here cheer up for the ICVCK. So big match between ICVCK versus ICVCK. So now see. Oh, it's very dry, so I think the ball is seeping in this pitch. So batsmen have the advantage. I think the ball will the spinners having ball will turn. So over the cut karo. Hari. So now we can see the two teams have already and let's see now match is going to be started. So teams they get again boys. So now see what is going on this pitch. So you can see some people release here. So I think it's natural of energy. So congratulations for both teams. And let's see how the match begins. Thank you.
जिद क्रिकेट जिद क्रिकेट আরো জোরে সবার আগে চতুর্পাশে ক্রিকেট কাপে চার ছক্কা মাঠ পেরিয়ে খেলছে দেখো আমার ছেলে জিতবে ক্রিকেট জিতবে ক্রিকেট আরো জোরে সবার আগে চতুর্পাশে ক্রিকেট কাপে চার ছক্কা মাঠ পেরিয়ে খেলছে দেখো আমার ছেলে পেরিয়ে বাধা ঘূর্ণি ধাঁধা কিংবা গতির তুমুল কোন ঝড় বাতাস কেটে তুমুল বেগে হাজার উল্লাসে জয়ের নিশান গড় মার ঘুরিয়ে ঘুরিয়ে উড়িয়ে ঘুরিয়ে মার ঘুরিয়ে উড়িয়ে জিতবে ক্রিকেট মার ঘুরিয়ে ঘুরিয়ে উড়িয়ে ঘুরিয়ে মার ঘুরিয়ে উড়িয়ে জিতবে ক্রিকেট
बलम पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी तो बोले रे जमाना खराबी हो गई टिकिरी टिकिरी दिया खाले तारा नींद जगिया बात कर खबर खोया फूल खा पी दिया भरिया
Tell me where to go, tell me what to do. I'll be right there for you. Tell me what to say, no matter if it's true. I'll say it all for you.
කළොත් ඔබ කියා මෝඩ මඩේ ලගෙන තාර
Shaggy alongside Ruby or not.
Yeah, man, Shaggy, I see Fayan.
I love it.
Play in this beautiful game where the rules.
කන්න දෙනවනම් අපිට
ඕන්න දෙනවනම් අපිට
මොනකෙන් ගෙඩියද තව ඕන කියන්නේ කන්න දෙනවනම් අපිට බොන්න දෙනවා
यही होते हैं सवेरे यही मरना और जीना यही मंदिर और मदीना तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे Elmen, Belmen, Hemin Siruven, Wachanayen deken dodamalu bemin. At the Helena, diga Helena.
වචන රචන කරන එකම ක්‍රමය ලියලා යවන ලියුම් වගේ කල් යන්නේ රීඩ් කරලා ඉරේස් කරොත් අහුවෙන්නේ කෙල්ල නිදිය ගන්නකම් මටත් නිදිමත වෙනකම් වචන රචන කරන එකම ක්‍රමය SMS මම යව්වා hello sweet කෙල්ලේ ඔයා කොහෙද කියලා එයා අහලා එව්වා හවසට අපි හමුවෙමු දැයි කියලා ටයිප් කරලා කොතන කීයටදැයි දැනගන්නට ඕන ඒත් ක්‍රෙඩිට් නෑනේ ෆෝන් එකෙන් මෙසේජස් මගහලා උදේ ඉඳන් හවස් වෙනකම් අපේ මුදල් සතේට හිනනකම් අපේ ඇඟිලි
දුරකථනයකින් මම ඔබ අමතන හමුවිය නොහැකි නිසා මගේ හිත හඳුනන ඔබ පිළිගත්තද
මංගේමනේ අහන්නෙම නැද්ද නැත්නම් අය ගොඩ කාජු චක්දේ ලංකා කියලා කොඩිය වනනවා චක් නෝරිස් අරන් ඇවිත් නොකුත් අයිනවා චක්කල්ලන අම්බයර්ලා මෙහෙට ගෙනවා ඇස් ඇතුලේ වන්
Welcome to Facebook. You have one friend request. Click here to confirm.
මටනම් ආදරේ කළේ මගේ අහනේ ඇයි ඔහු ඉන්නේ කෙල්ලේ ඇයි දුක දෙන්නේ
crazy
මාරවට මගේ සිත බින්දේ Facebook බැලුවම ඔය රුව දුටුවා කැඩස් ෆ්‍රෙන්ඩ් අය කන්ෆර්ම් කෙරුවා ඉන්බොක්ස් ස්පීඩෙන්
I used to be the type of kid that would always think the sky is falling. Why am I so differently wired? Am I a Martian? What kind of twisted experiment am I involved in? Cause I don't belong in this world. That's why I'm scoffing at authority, defiant often. Flying off at the handle at my mom, no dad, so I am non-commercial. alone at school, I'm just shy and awkward. And I don't need no goddamn psychologist trying to diagnose why I have all these underlying problems, thinking he can try and solve them. I'm out.
What the hell are you doing? My game, my decisions.